it's cold out.
Is it Giizisoons?
Yeah, it's Giizisoons. It's cold.
Oh, I'm gonna do a podcast today. I'm thinking about doing it on the weather.
Have you done one about the Manidoo Giizisoons?
Oh no, that's a good idea. Let's do that. Hey, Reno Giga. Good morning. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, my podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And it's a cold morning here in northern Minnesota. And it's the last day of December. And that's our Ojibwe word today, December. Manidoo Giizisoons. Or in Ojibwe Moan we say, Little Spirit Moon. The moon of the little spirit. Manidoo Giizisoons. So Manidoo, spirit. Giizisoons. Giizis is like sun, but it's also like moon. Manidoo Giizisoons, and that makes it little. Little spirit moon. And let's see, what's the story behind that? You know what? I don't even know, but check this out. It's a cartoon Michael did, and it's got a little spirit. He says, "Boo." Hey, get it? It's a little ghost. All right. So Manidoo Giizisoons, little spirit moon, or December in Ojibwe Moan, and that's our Ojibwe word for today. Hey, Grandma, you gonna go out?
Am I going out?
Yeah, you gonna go out and shovel the walk?
Now you can do that, my boy.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. All right. Well, hey, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga waba min, minawa. Hoa. Yeah, okay, I'll get up to it today. I'll go out and I'll shovel that walk there, Grandma.